Getting the right products and promotions on the right shelf is an ongoing challenge. Yet throughout the years, one challenge remains to be unsolved: maintaining planogram compliance. Our partner Strategics has a solution to optimize your return on invest, all combined with ESLs.
Headquarters generally generate a store-specific or cluster planogram for their markets. Once the planogram changes, store employees receive a notification to review the updates and to implement facing changes in the store. After, staff confirms the implementation by sending a photo. Electronic shelf labels are then triggered automatically to display the updates just in time. Last but not least, the store manager can review the planogram compliance. The Planogram to Go application is easy to embed in existing systems and achieves better shelf compliance by synchronizing planograms, shelves, and electronic labels.
Thank you very much for these insights. Next week, we will focus on ESL features for your store employees, more precisely on replenishment.